This client blamed him after he crashed his own car.
So I had a guy who we tinted his car, and like a week later, he comes back and he's like, hey man, I noticed a scuff on my bumper. Dude, it's a week, like you've driven the car. He's like, no, but it wasn't there. I'm gonna have to write a bad review on you. He's like, I already did my research and it's $300 to fix it. I knew we hadn't like scuffed his car or anything like that because we do walk-arounds the car, but I did end up paying the $300 for him. If he posts a review, he's gonna talk about a story that never happened, and people will read that and they'll just assume that it's true. Why am I not gonna pay this guy $300 to just shut up and get out of here and literally like don't ever come back?